Hello everybody, and welcome in this video. We're gonna be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to install and connect your ActiveCampaign Action Automation for workflows. This tool is gonna help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your ActiveCampaign platform. So how do we set it up? First and foremost, inside your sub account, come down here at the app marketplace. You search for the app Active Campaign, we go, install, allowed and install. There are some keys required like the API token and the URL. Before we go any further though, we have some smart cues here which are going to guide you how to get all those information. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our ActiveCampaign account and we come down here at the settings, developer, and we have the URL here and the key. So we first copy the API key. You guys can notice that it's pretty simple. So we copy the key, we switch to the account, we paste it, we copy the URL, paste it, we continue, you choose a plan, you confirm, and you go on complete installation, and you guys are ready to go. Once it's done, now you guys are able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your ActiveCampaign platform. So if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video, guys.